I tried making Nigerian buns and I failed woefully. Okay, guys. So I was just on on YouTube roaming around looking for channels that made buns to learn how to make buns, Nigerian buns myself, since I've never done it before and I've never tried to learn how to make it before. Guys, this video right here is the pure evidence that not all creators on YouTube are actually showing you the real thing. I'm telling you, there are so many mistakes in the background and off camera that they don't remember to, tell us in the comment section or in their description. And this one right here, I'm not going to mention the person's page, but I found this from a very popular page. It has so many subscribers. And I was like, okay, this recipe is going to be nice. And I see people commenting it's very nice. I've tried it, it's very nice. Maybe I did something wrong. Because one me made the wrong na this particular video. So I tried making Nigerian buns and I followed the steps. Or maybe I skipped something. Hey, I don't know. But I made these buns and okay, added the ingredients. Okay, the person used them liquid milk and I used them powdered milk. What else? The person used them, what again? Vanilla essence. I use a milk zest flavor because I think it's a unique flavor. Anyway, guys, try making the buns and it didn't come out well. Like seriously, it didn't come out well. It was just a waste of time, but it actually tastes good. But I honestly don't know what went wrong anyway. So guys, I actually decided to post this video. I've had this particular video edited in my archive, and I always feel skeptical to post it because I don't really know what people will think. But come on, I'm not here to shade anybody. Like I said, I didn't mention name, but I actually pick up this recipe from YouTube. I didn't learn it from the school I went to or anything. I picked it up from YouTube just to try it out because I miss eating buns and I don't see buns here in Ghana. So I decided to make some for myself. And the result wasn't really good. I just wasted my ingredients and everything. Here I am trying to make sure that the oil is hot enough, which is when you throw a piece of butter inside the oil and if it floats immediately, that means the oil is hot enough. So I did everything. I don't know what really went wrong. Anyway, I decided to post this video just to tell some of our YouTube family, when you're coming to the YouTube space, you want to learn a recipe. Charlie, if you're lucky enough to find a YouTuber, a creator that actually gave you what you want, that actually, did the recipe and you tried it and it came out perfectly. Charlie, find like 1 or 2 people like that and stick to them. Most people are just doing this for content, just to create content. I'm making this voiceover with you where you were no be. But anyway, it's all good. It's all good. Anyway, so if you try and get somebody who does something and you try it and it comes out well, no look no there. No look no there. Seriously. I actually have good creators that actually produce something that I like to watch. When I watch and try it comes out well. Or maybe I should have even tried this before even making the video. So I guess I'm like editing and doing all this voiceover, on this video. Normally I would have just thrown it to the trash, but for the fact that I took my time and set my ring light to do a video, to create the content, I didn't come out well. No, we YouTubers, I say YouTubers, we content creators on YouTube, because no na kai me no of my bikono. I want to data can watch all this video. If we are creating a content and there is a mistake or something, we should be able to name it, maybe pin it in the comment section or something, so that also your viewers can also, learn from the mistake and not do that same mistake again. I may not know for my big. Anyway, if you have any YouTuber that have done a good buns, Nigerian buns before, please recommend the person I want to go and watch and learn. Daalụ. Moment of truth, oh. Some alone. Jesus, you soak water, oh.